If you live in Lewis Center, Ohio, and you're thinking about selling because you're downsizing, or if you have a house in Lewis Center, Ohio, and you're thinking about selling at some point in the future because of downsizing, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with home sellers and residents in and around Lewis Center, Ohio. And one of the most frequent calls that we get is people downsizing, and we know the situation very well. Maybe you're just selling because you want something with less maintenance and less upkeep, or maybe you're moving in with family or closer to family, or maybe you're just an empty nester and the house is too big for you. Whatever the case may be, we know this situation very well, and what we know about it is you're not desperate. We know you're not looking for a fire sale. You're not looking to give the house away. It's not going to be treated that way whatsoever. We know that's not the case. And we're going to treat you fairly, and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So we're going to be the easy button for you. This is the convenient way to sell your house because you don't have to do any work to the property. You don't need to clean. You don't need to haul anything away. We truly buy the house as it sits. And after the house is vacant, if you want to leave behind anything that you just don't need anymore, just leave it behind. You're not going to be expected to leave it in broom swept condition by any means. We do buy the house in its as-is condition, regardless of the condition. Most houses from people who are downsizing, they're not in terrible shape. And we're not going to make you an offer as if it's falling down or anything like that. We just need to factor in the updates that we're going to do after we close on the property. But we'll buy it in its as-is condition, regardless of updates that are needed. And we're a true cash buyer, and this is important for you. So a traditional buyer, working with a realtor, well, first off, if they're working with a realtor, a traditional buyer, you're going to have to pay commissions and stuff like that. With us, there's no commissions or fees. And a traditional buyer, they need to seek approval from a bank or a lender, and then, assuming the bank says yes, then they got to get it appraised, and hopefully it passes appraisal, and then they got to get a professional inspection and maybe a survey, and this is all added time and added cost and added confusion for you. With us, there's none of that. We're a true cash buyer. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. And since we're not relying on a bank approval or a lender approval, we could close when you want to. The ball is in your court. You're going to get certainty and clarity. If you need something to close quickly, if you want us to close quickly, we absolutely could accommodate that. If you need more flexibility because you need help identifying your new place or whatever the case may be, if you need flexibility, we could accommodate that as well. So when we get on the phone, our number here, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We just want to know more about the house and know more about the timeline that you're working with. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and communicate very transparently throughout the whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We simply could shake hands, part as friends. There's no pressure, there's no gimmicks, and there's no fake urgency. So if you have a house in Lewis Center, Ohio, and you are selling because you are looking to downsize or looking to sell your Lewis Center house at some point in the future because you're downsizing, give us a call. Our number here, 614-300-5151. And our website, once again, is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin, and I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.